Now, how do you go about finding the negation of statements with multiple quantifiers? In the last section, we said that the negation of a universal is going to be an existential, and the negation of an existential is going to be a universal. Well, when two of them or multiple existentials and quantifiers show up in the same time in the same problem, we basically do the same thing. So regardless of what order they're in, we negate in that same order. The universal becomes an existential, and the existential becomes a universal. Also keep in mind that whatever your predicate is, it must get negated at the end. So no matter what the order is, we always follow the same rules. Okay, so again, existentials become universals. Universals, when you negate them, become existentials. The words such that always follow the existential. So as soon as you write your existential, list a domain, write down the words such that directly after, or use the symbol for such that, which is this backwards looking curve E. And also, finally, don't forget to negate the property or the predicate that x and y must satisfy. So let's practice by negating for every person x, there's a person y such that x loves y. So again, what I'm going to do is, when I negate, this is going to become existential. When I negate, this becomes a universal. And I'm going to have to write down that x does not love y. So there it is. There exists a person x such that for every person y, x does not love y. So there's a person who doesn't love anyone. Now, here's another example where we have an existential first and a universal after. So the original statement says there exists a person x such that for every person y, x loves y. So someone loves everyone. What is the negation of someone loves everyone? Well, again, using the same rules that we mentioned, someone loves everyone is going to be negated to become everyone has someone who they don't love. So in other terms, the existential becomes a universal when you negate. For all becomes an existential. And notice how the words such that always follow the existential. And then I negate the predicate x loves y, negated, gets negated to x does not love y. So everyone has someone who they don't love.